So the first thing you're going to do is pop this little case off here. And there's just some screws, Phillips in there that you have to undo. I've already taken them out, but I'm just showing you where they are, those two. And then this faceplate slides off like that. And then this bottom case slides off like that. You might have to use a little screwdriver to kind of pry it a little bit. Once you remove the unit, you need to see what the model number is. There's these little pieces here that you can put a screwdriver in behind and just slowly work it off. There's contacts in here, and this whole square piece right here slides out away from the contacts that are in there, so you do not have to rewire this if you're replacing it with the same unit that you pulled off. So watch this. Just pulls right off. There's your contacts. You might have a different one, but once you get this off, you can reorder a new one. Brand new from Intermatic, and it's exactly the same. You got to make sure the voltages are the same. This is the same model number, and all of these connections are exactly the same. So once again, I got mine on eBay, but I think Amazon sells them too. So just the reverse of the disassembly, just slide that thing right on there over the contacts. Push it in like that. So we're gonna put the bottom piece on first. See, it goes like this. Slides on there. And then the top piece slides on here. And then you just put the screws in, and then you turn it on.